Alright. Come here, you crazy pig. Piggle. You have no idea what's coming to you. Piglet. Hey, Stinky. Not you. Come here, piggy. Oh, man. It's pumpkin. It's a pumpkin pie. Dude, she eats this so stinking quickly. Oh my god. What is crazy? Mel, you can't have any of that. You already had some of yours. This is one happy piglet, babe.
She's happy.
Melody? Hey, no, you had yours. Melody. And there we go. 30 seconds flat, I'd say. Extreme snow, close up. Pumpkin pie. Gross. What do you have to say about that happy pig? Nothing, evidently.